Hey guys, here's another video that I wanted to share to show the power of these pitchfork trend indicators. This is amazing. This Andrew's pitchfork that once placed right at this the start of this trend, and then basically the retracement of this trend, which is how you're supposed to draw them. That was really accurate. Look at this, from January 21st until almost a month later, about February 21st. This pitchfork actually tells you the reversal in the trend, the correction. That's the shift pitchfork. Look at that. It actually knew when this trend reversal, when this becomes a shift pitchfork. That's what this is. That is the correction pitchfork. It actually knew. If you had drawn this as early as, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, whenever, anytime between January 21st and the past few weeks with this price action so that you could place these points, basically anytime between, January 2nd, even further back, and January 21st, you would have then known that there was this breakdown going to happen. You would have seen all this going on, and known, hey, I know eventually, according to this, price action was going to come down to here. So now we are back on track, and you see price action starting to come back, and according to the original pitchfork, we should see price action get up to here at some time. So I know there's other factors to play and still a little bit to go to get there, but if this trend is to continue bullish, we should be in the all-time high territory real soon here. And according to this trend and this pitchfork, the correction is actually broken. So we are, once we close up here around 1900, the shift pitchfork is now invalidated, and we are back to the Andrews pitchfork, which is the original. And as if anybody knows how these pitchforks work, this median line acts as a magnet and attracts price up there. So to continue this trend, basically to validate this pitchfork, which was valid for a few months now and is even valid as the shift version is, for that to happen, we are looking at about 20%, 30% gain in the next few days to validate that pitchfork. So let's see what happens. This isn't trade advice, or don't go dumping a bunch of your money on this. Maybe you can wait to see what price action really does in the next couple of days. But if we start to get some closes up here, you know that this trend is continuing, and that's pretty easy to decide what you should probably do there. And this is not financial advice or trade advice at all. This is just analysis and showing you kind of a cool little tool that seems to know what's going on at all times, and seems to validate the price action really accurately. All right, happy trading.